working on other videos, and I'm beat now. But I drank all that water. I literally already drank 2 full Nalgene's. I mean, I made lunch with one, but I drank all the water because I made a ramen, so I drank all the water already. So I gotta take a break. Like, yeah, I have to go to the car and get more water. I'm all sweaty too. Good times. Well, just kind of sitting here watching people walk through my campsite. But thinking about packing up and going home. I don't know why. I used to get a lot more excited about getting out and doing this, but now I'm just like doop 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 doop. Am I in a rut or something? I suppose camping would help get over that rut, but I don't know if it would. I mean, I like being out here, but it's like, I don't know. It's weird. Something mentally, it's like, if I remember last year, I worked a bunch and I missed out a lot of camping, but you know, I needed the money, so you know, what was I gonna do? But even though I'm sitting here now and I'm just like, I should have invited my buddy out. I should have said, hey man, let's go camp. Let's do it. And I didn't even text him, and I should have. Maybe I gotta work all next weekend, but maybe the weekend after, maybe I'll message him when I get home and say, hey man, this weekend let's go do something over. Let's go do an overnighter somewhere. Well, I got some videos shot, but damn it. Maybe it's just not exciting for me anymore. The newness is wearing off. Maybe I need to go next level. Maybe I need to find a girlfriend who can go camping with me, and I'd have someone to talk to. Of course, I don't know how the hammock will work. I guess we could share a tent, but... Oh, battery's dying. Well, as you can see, I'm packing up. Now, I know what you're thinking. Boo, lame. And honestly, I wholeheartedly agree. The whole time I was wrapping up my tarp, I was thinking, what am I doing? But it seems like it feels like my passion for doing this has somehow dwindled, and I don't know why. I gotta figure out what's going on with me. Maybe I just needed a buddy out here. I should have invited my friend and I didn't. God, piss off. Damn, bee. Like, why do they gotta buzz right around you? You just sting me, but don't just harass me. It's one of my rules. Well, hey. We're back. Third time's the charm. So, I'm actually out with my bestest bro. My brother from another mother, who's over there off camera. We got here late because it's Friday. Changed my work schedule. So, I'm basically running the same hammock setup you saw. Tarp. I actually rigged the lines up properly this time. Yeah, man, it is muggy AF out here. Like, you can see my shirt. That's just from walking to the car and setting up camp. It's like I'm all sweaty. So hopefully this tarp configuration will allow more airflow, what I'm told. I've got the, what's that blanket called? Hang on, let me go get it. Wow, such a YouTube professional, forgot the name of it. That's the Get Out Gear Down Puffy Blanket. Finally gonna be overnightting with it. It's in my hammock with my pillow. I think that's all I'm gonna run tonight because it's just hot, so. Well, it's not hot, it's muggy though, but I'm gonna go get my chair set up and start relaxing.
Well, that's pretty easy. Oh, Jesus. I think lighter fluid would have been funner. Like a dual torch on that sucker.
Yeah, it is.
That's pretty cool.
I liked it. Let's see how it stands up though.
Oh, battery dead.
Oh, or it got too hot. Bacon. Alrighty, so how'd last night go? Well, I put down the Country River Products ground sheet, so I could kick my shoes off and I'd have to track. Well, I tracked less dirt in. Dirt's usually always going to make its way in, but the underquilt. My suspicions were correct on the underquilt. It's more of a summer rated underquilt, so I wasn't cold underneath at all, which was nice. Because last time I slept on it, the bottom was chilled. I gotta cut this tag off when I get home. This Get Out Gear down was all I needed. I didn't have to press anything out. It was quite nice. I didn't have my feet or like about knee up was not covered. But my feet never got cold. I did get a little chilled like early morning, But it's actually cold right now, and I'm only wearing a green t-shirt, those green shirts I always wear, and I'm actually kind of cold, so I wish I'd brought a fleece or something to throw over. That was my fault. Should have been a little bit more prepared. So I'm gonna pack up the tent, not the tent. I'm gonna pack up the hammock because I have something else in mind I'm gonna sleep in tonight. So yeah, I did bring 2 shelters.